Hey there, it's Bob again, and we are all done for the week. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and we got unloaded this morning, and we are on our way home, and we're done till Sunday. So it's going to be a good long weekend at home. It's always a question when you come into holidays, are you going to get home? Is there going to be problems? Are you going to get delayed? Things like that all the time. And I'm sure a lot of you out there have run into the same problem at one time or another. Thanksgiving's a big holiday for that, and Christmas is the other one. I just know there's been a couple of times it's been really hard to get home. Pretty much everybody's had a story or two that goes along with that, trying to get home for a holiday. If you've had any good ones, go ahead and share them there in the comment section. It'd be kind of fun. I mean, drivers always like to tell stories. Probably the worst trying to get home story I've had was right when I started out in '87, working for CR England as a second seat driver, the trainee. Yeah, we all had to start sometime. But anyway, we picked up a load and brought it back from Pennsylvania or Kentucky or somewhere. And it was going down to Durango, Colorado. So we were really hustling, and we had to go over Wolf Creek Pass. And luckily the other guy was driving, so I didn't have to. It wasn't bad, the weather was okay. But we got there to Durango, got unloaded, and then going over the little hills between Durango and Cortez, we hit a snowstorm. We had to chain up. And this is all the day before Christmas Eve, so we're really trying to get home. We had to chain up, and it was quite an ordeal. I got home like 4 o'clock in the afternoon on the day before Christmas Eve. It's like whenever you're really in a hurry, that's when things are going to go bad. So yeah, share any stories down in the comments section if you've got any, but I'm sure people have got, even people that aren't drivers probably have some holiday stories about trying to get somewhere, because we all seem to travel around holidays. Any of you have any interesting stories, whether they're driving a truck or just trying to get somewhere for family? Planes, trains, and automobiles. Yeah, that's what. I'm sure everybody's got one of those stories. Yeah, so now that we're almost home and the holiday's starting, I'm just gonna kind of show you some of the highlights of our holiday. It's nothing really fancy, but it's always a good time because it's time with the family. And that's what I like best about it. Well, and that's it. Another holiday in the book. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope that you had a good one, and we're going to get back out on the road and try to make it to Christmas. So thanks for watching, and have a good holiday.